This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic trading terminology, viewing tutorials, or live day trades, consider subscribing to the channel for more content. I'm watching the NQ E-mini Nasdaq Futures here, and as you can see, we are in a period of consolidation. And so I'm going to be looking to take a long opportunity here because I believe the price can give us some continuation to the upside. And there goes NQ without me. So I was looking to enter in at 95.50 for a long opportunity. I was anticipating a move to the upside, which is what is happening here at the moment. But the futures market can certainly be very volatile, and you have to be quick with your orders. And unfortunately, I did not enter my order quickly enough, and so I am sitting here on the sidelines. So I will have to reevaluate. I will be looking for another long opportunity since we are seeing quite a bit of buying pressure here. I ended up taking a long opportunity here on NQ. I bought and sold within this green candlestick here. And so I am looking for one more long opportunity, and I will do my best to capture it. I am looking to take my second trade for the day, and I am looking for a long entry here for continuation to the upside.
Order filled.
I am now in the trade at 114.50 with a target exit price at 118. So I am going for 14 ticks here. Let's see if the price of NQ can give us a nice push to the upside.
Target filled.
I am all out of the trade for 14 ticks, which equated to $70. So I just ended up taking 2 scalp trades this morning. I missed the initial trade, but I did end up finding 2 trading opportunities, and both ended up being profitable. I am going to call it a day. I am up 151 after those 2 scalp trades. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.